Mobility in cities is one of the biggest challenges of our times. We waste a lot of time sitting in cars and waiting for the subway. What if you could turn these stressful hours into a daily joyride? The Mellow Drive is the most compact e-mobility solution for the city. Thanks to its distinct shape, it fits on any skateboard and recycles it into a powerful yet sustainable ride. As a first of its kind, designing the Mellow Drive was a superior challenge. We wanted to create a singular product, simple but thrilling. For the Mellow Drive, we combined the characteristics of a skateboard with precise engineering. The magnesium unibody protects the electronics and the battery pack. Inside the regular-sized skateboard wheels, there are two motors that accelerate you to top speeds of up to 40 km per hour. Made in Germany, the perfection of each individual part of the Mellow Drive ensures for longevity in everyday use. Like a normal skateboard truck, mounting the Mellow Drive is only a matter of 4 screws and a few simple steps. The user interface of the drive is just one button, surrounded by an LED display that shows the state of charge. The Mellow Remote is an intuitive slide control. Move forward to accelerate, move backward to brake. With all functions at your fingertips, you can also switch riding modes or check your state of charge while riding. And thanks to the swappable battery pack, the 15-kilometer ride can easily be extended on the go. No matter if it's a last-mile solution or even the perfect travel mate beyond the borders of the city, the Mellow Drive has the potential to change the way we think about urban mobility.